Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. Friends, I am providing the training is 40 to 45 days of the training I am providing. See, friends, this is a study demo session YouTube channel. They are uploaded. I'll send it in the chat box, friends. Yesterday demo video will be updated on your DURGASOFT YouTube channel. Friends, I am providing the training is at associate level. Once you register the course, then you are getting everyday class recording videos, class material, you got it. At the end of the training, then you got AWS interview questions and answers, AWS dumps, that is after completion of your course, then you are prepared well and you are attempting the global certification, how they ask the questions and answers also I am providing. And at the end of the training, each and every topic, the screenshot explanation also I am providing, friends. For this course, the registration fee is 5,000 rupees. Friends, on day one demonstration, I explain what is cloud computing, what are cloud deployment models or the types of clouds I explain. And on day one demonstration, I explain cloud delivery models. Three types of cloud delivery models are there: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, friends. Friends, now today's session, we are going to explore. This is the day two demonstration. On day two demonstration, I explore the concepts here. Those are the concepts I need to explore. This is the day two demonstration. On day two demonstration, I explore AWS introduction. On AWS introduction, I have to explore the AWS global infrastructure and then how to create your AWS free-tier account. Free-tier account. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? I explained with the help of the screenshot because already I have my AWS account is there. And then today's session, I launch and connect the Windows server. I launch and connect the Windows server. Those content I have to cover today's session. This is the day two demo session, friends. Before commencing the session, if anyone have any questions regarding the day one demonstration, friends, anyone have any questions before I am commencing the day two demonstration? Before I am commencing the day two demonstration, exactly 2 months or sometimes 2 months, 1 week, it is taking the time. Okay. You are saying that you want to switch that one. You are the Java developer. Will this course good for me? Yes, absolutely. Rupinder Singh. Absolutely, it will be suitable for you. Once your AWS course will be completed, then you can switch to the cloud environment, the developer, AWS cloud developer jobs we can apply. Okay, Rupinder Singh. Fine. Any questions regarding yesterday concepts? Yes, yes, Sartaj. I can provide all the AWS services. I can provide it. And at the end of the training, I am providing the two AWS related project I explore. Yes. Already in the previous batch, the same 8:30 batch is there. I am taking the sessions there. 47 sessions I completed. Sartar. I'm providing every day is with hands-on only. I'm given less weightage for the theory. Much weightage I am providing for hands-on.
Okay.
Okay, fine friends. Now I'll start the session. See, in the AWS introduction, already prepared the class material I can prepare. Once you registered the codes, you got those one. Friends, the AWS, it will be started in the year is 2006. 2006. Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud computing service that is created by Amazon. Created by Amazon. See, it is a collection of remote computing services. Remote computing services that together make up a cloud computing platform. See, the services they can offer via by using the internet connection. Whatever the service you need it may be the servers, it may be the database, it may be the serverless computing, or it may be the virtual private cloud. You may use the monitoring tools. All services can be providing using the internet connection. Without internet connection, you can't use their services. See, it is started in the year is 2006. Sir, you are saying that with the help of the internet connection, it is providing the service. Sir, how it has to cover globally their services means their data centers has to cover throughout global. The AWS have the queues in data centers across the globe. Queues in data centers across the globe, friends. With the help of that, their services has to cover throughout global. Right now, not 33 geographic regions, 34 geographical regions are there, 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Not 33, 34 availability, 34 geographical regions are there, and 108 availability zones are there. Right now, they are updating the AWS. Fine. And friends, if you want to know each region and the availability zone, for that, we have to follow the link is, this is the link we have to follow. I'll send in the chat box, friends. This link is providing the AWS global infrastructure is providing. See, friends, you also copy and paste it in your browser. It is providing the AWS global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. Friends, see that total 34 launched regions are there. Each region can have multiple availability zones. See, 108 availability zones are there, friends. Total how many availability zone? 108. If you are taking the Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. Like that, Mumbai region data center throughout globally 34 regions are there and 108 availability zones are there. Friends, you can see that here the AWS cloud spans 108 availability zones within 30 regions. And they are planned to upgrade 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European. See, friends, they need to upgrade their services. AWS is number one cloud platform throughout globally. Number one cloud platform. You scroll down, see that this is the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. Friends, these green color circles, they are representing already existed regions they are representing, friends. See that? Already existed regions they are representing. See that our in India, Mumbai region is there and Hyderabad region is also there. See that? Those many existed regions are there. How many regions are there? Totally 34 launched regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. Sir, you may have that doubt. What is the availability zone? What is the availability zone? This option is not there. Mark option is not there. Just wait. See, how many reasons are there? 34 reasons are there, and each having multiple availability zones are there. Multiple availability zones are there. See, in this diagram, in this AWS global infrastructure, some red color marks are also there. They are nothing but upcoming regions. See that Mexico is there, and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is there, and see that Thailand is also there, right? Thailand is also there, and then here Taiwan is there, and then here this is also there, right? The red color circles which are representing coming soon is representing. Coming soon is representing. Friends, see that. See, if you are taking the Mumbai region, that is already I have the AWS account is there. See, in my AWS account, in the Mumbai region, if I am taking, in the Mumbai region, if I am taking, see that, just I can sign in. I'll tell you what are the steps we have to follow. That is while creating your AWS redirect. See that. I can enter my mail ID. I can enter the password, whatever the password I am given. Whatever the password I am given, click on sign. Click on sign. Friends, see that I'm choosing the Mumbai region. Just you can listen. In EC2 service, while launching the instant, I'll tell you very detailedly, no problem. While launching the instant, see in networking, network settings, edit option is there. See friends, how many subnets are there? How many availability zones are there? AP South 1A availability zone, AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C is there. AP South 1C is there. That is in Mumbai region, the 3 availability zones. Like that, see in my AWS account, North Virginia region is there, US East Ohio is there, California, right? Orion, Hyderabad, Mumbai region, Pascal, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, right? Tokyo, Central. So those many regions are there. You scroll down, there are the regions that are not enabled for your AWS, for your AWS redirect. Sir, you need to manage the regions. Then you can click on here. Then you can click on here. See that you have to scroll down in your account. See, if you want to enable the reason is, if you want to enable the reason is Hong Kong, you can select it. Here, enable option is there. Then that particular reason will be enabled. See, those are enabled reasons are there in my AWS account. In my AWS account, friends. Fine. What I want is, sir, why the availability zones are there? In Mumbai region, why the availability zones are there? Why the availability zones are there? See, for that, I had to explain this with diagrammatically. This with diagrammatically. See, friends. Just wait. Yeah. See, in the Mumbai region, in the Mumbai region. How many availability zones are there? There are 3 availability zones, sir. How many availability zones are there? There are 3 availability zones, sir. See that? This is availability zone 1. AZ1 is there. And this is the second availability zone is there. Second availability zone is there. AZ. And this is third availability zone is there. Third availability zone is there. See, from one availability zone to another availability zone, there is a strong connection is there. There is a very high throughput and the redundancy is very low is there. From one availability zone to another availability zone, there is a strong throughput and low redundancy is there. Low redundancy is there. See, if any availability zone will be down, if any availability zone is down, then your next availability zone is there. That's why while launching your instances, while storing the application, minimum we have to choose it. Minimum we have to choose it, the 2 availability zone. 2 availability zone. Like that, the AWS is providing throughout globally in all the regions, multiple availability zones can be provided. See, totally 108 availability zones are there, 34 regions are there. 34 regions are there. Yes, yes, Deepanashu. AWS course for associate level. I am providing the training is associate level. Right, friends? I am providing the training is associate level. Okay. Fine. So that is the reason they are introducing in each region multiple availability zones are there. See that? That is in 34 launched regions are there. Each region can have multiple availability zones. Like the total, how many availability zones are there right now? 108 availability zone. In Mumbai region, 3 availability zone. If we are taking North Virginia region, the maximum is 6 availability zones are there. 6 availability zones. So like that, in total, how many availability zones are there is 108 availability zones are there. See, every month they are upgrading as per the business requirement, they are upgrading. The provider is upgrading. That's why the AWS is the #1 cloud platform throughout worldwide. Throughout worldwide. See, that is I had to mention. Deepnas is asking how many for India? The 2. One for Mumbai and another for Hyderabad location is there. Okay, one for Mumbai and another for the Hyderabad region is there. See that? See here. In the AWS, this is my AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account. Mumbai region, Hyderabad region is there. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Now, that is the AWS introduction and the AWS global infrastructure I have to explain. Friends, today's session I want to explore what are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account. Friends, to create your AWS free tier account, you need the 3 things are required. One is your credit card or debit card. Credit card or debit card. Second one is required mobile number. Second one is your mobile number is required. Bank linked mobile number, it will be preferred. Mobile number is required. And then third one is it's required your personal mail ID is required for creating your AWS free tier account. See, these 3 things are required to create your AWS free tier account. Friends, already I have the AWS free tier account. I can explain what are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account? With the help of the screenshots, I have to explain how you can create your AWS free tier account. Create your AWS free tier account, friends. See, uh, you can use to create your AWS free tier account. This is the link we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account. I'll send it in the chat box, friends. You can create your AWS free tier account. See, when I am click on here, see that, see that, see that here it is asking to enter your root user email ID. Here you can enter your root user email ID and you have to enter your AWS account name. We have to enter. And then we have to click on verify email ID. See, you are given the account name is globally unique. Globally unique. And then we have to click on verify email address. Already I have the AWS free tier account is there. That's why I'm not creating. I have to explain with the help of the screenshots I am explaining. That is, whenever you are given your mail ID and your account name, while given the account name is, you have to follow the unique. Account name must be the unique. And then click on verify email address. When you click on verify email address, to your mail ID, the OTP you are received, whatever the OTP you are received to the specified mail ID, that OTP we have to enter it here and then click on verify option. Click on verify option. After that, it is asking to enter the password, root user password, and we have to confirm your password. For confirming your password, we have to type again the password and then click on continue option. See, friends, while given the password, we have to follow those are the instructions. That is, the password length must be 8 characters length is there, minimum 8 characters length, and it contains minimum of those are the 3 following things we have to follow. At least the 3 of the following: uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, non-alphanumeric characters. While given the password length is minimum is 8 characters, and we have to follow those 3 is minimum combination in your password. Fine. Once you enter the password, you are confirming the password, click on next option, then it is asking that you need to enter your personal details. That is, see that how do you plan to use your AWS account for business or personal? Here I am selecting personal. You can also select the personal. And then you can enter your name, mobile number, country or region, address, city, state, postal code, and then put the tick mark, click on continue option. That is, at the second step, it is asking to enter your information, to enter your details. Once you enter your details, then it is asking to enter at the third step, card details it is asking. See, you can enter your credit card or the debit card details. Credit card or the debit card number we have to enter, and the expiration month, expiration year we have to specify. Month and year, the expiration date we have to specify. Card holder name we have to give it. And if you turn off the card, then CVV number is there, the 3-digit number, that also we have to enter it, and the billing address we have to specify. And you have the PAN card, then we can choose the yes option, otherwise we have to choose the no option, and then click on verify and continue in the third step. That is, on the third step, you need to enter your card details. You need to enter in the card details, friends. Fine. After that, see, here you are given the mobile number. For your mobile number, when you are enter the card details, then you can receive the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, whatever you got it on the mobile, then that bank linked mobile number we have to give it. Then the 2 rupees will be deducted to your account, to your bank account. See, that's where verification purpose. Within 24 hours, your 2 rupees will be credited to your AWS account. That deduction is for verification purpose. And once you enter the OTP, click on submit option. Okay. Then again it is asking confirm your identity. Confirm your identity. That is, how should we send you to verify the code? Using the text or the voice? As per your convenience, you have to select it. Here I am selecting text message, I am selecting country, I am chosen, and you can enter the mobile number. Whatever the security checks in your system, it will be appeared. That security checks, we have to type it here and then click on send SMS option. That's the fourth step. The fourth step is also again confirm your identity, friends. Fine. Then next, whatever you received the verification code, that verification code we can enter it, click on continue option. Then the last it is asking the step is you need to select the pay. Friends, you are for practicing purpose, you need to choose the basic support. It's there free service it is providing. How many months is 12 months it is providing the free service. That's why you need to prefer the basic support plan you have to prefer. Friends, if we are chosen developer support, per month you need to pay $29. If you are chosen business support, per month you need to pay $100. You are for practicing purpose, friends. That's why you need to choose basic support. We have to choose it. And then click on complete sign up process. Then you are getting congratulations. Then you can go to the management console. Before going to the management console, then it is asking that you can enter your role. Select this arrow mark and then we have to choose your role. And your interested area, we have to select it and then click on submit option. Then you can go your management console. This is the management console is there. Again, you will see that I have to sign out in my AWS account and sign into the console. Sign into the console. Whatever here, always we have to choose it root user email ID. What the reason is, I'll tell you in upcoming session in identity and access management. Sign in using root user. Then see that there are two types of users are there. I'll tell you in IAM concept. One is the root user, second one is IAM user. Now, every day you can choose the root user. Whatever the mail ID you are given, that mail ID we have to choose it at the time of your AWS account creation. Whatever the mail ID you are given, that mail ID we have to enter it. And then you can enter the password. Whatever the password you are given in AWS account creation. And then click on sign. Then your AWS account is open. Your AWS account is open, friends. Friends, I explained the AWS global infrastructure and also how you can create your AWS free tier account also. How you can create your AWS free tier account also, friends. Friends, now today's session, this is my AWS management console, friends. Here in my AWS management console, this is my AWS account. At the top, my name is there. And here, if you click on here, those are nothing but the availability reasons are shown. See that. Those many reasons are supported in my AWS account. North Virginia region, California region, Hyderabad region, recently it is not supported. Then I can go for manage regions and I am selecting Hyderabad region also. Okay. And Mumbai region is there, right? Singapore region is also there. Sydney region is also there. Those many regions are supported. See, there are in your AWS account 13 regions that are not enabled for this account. If you need to enable for your account, go for manage regions option is there. Manage regions option is there. Here, we have to scroll down. See that whatever the region, you need to enabling it. You need to enabling it. Then we have to select that particular region and then we can enabling it. And then we can enabling it, friends. Okay. So that is in my AWS account, those many reasons are there. Those many reasons are there. Fine, friends. See that. Now today's session, friends, before I can start how to launch and connect the Windows server, if anyone have any questions. Yes, Sartaj, credit card is accepting. Credit card is accepting, right? Already I told that while creating your AWS account, credit card or debit card. Credit card or debit card. See, debit card is international transactions will be accepted, right? Some cards will not be accepted. Rupee card is not accepting. Visa card is accepting. MasterCard is also accepting while creating your AWS free tier account. Okay. Clear? Sartaj.
Yes.
Fine. 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 Now, I need to explore. Today, I have to explore with hands-on how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. But then, what are the steps we have to follow? Friends, to launch and connect the Windows server, we have to use the EC2 service. EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. See, using the Elastic Cloud Computing, if you want to launch the Linux server, you can launch it. If you want to launch the Ubuntu, Red Hat Linux, or the Windows Linux, Windows operating system, or the Mac operating system, as per your requirement, we can launch the servers using Elastic Cloud Computing. Using the Elastic Cloud Computing, you can also balancing the load also. I'll tell you in upcoming session. Right now, I can launch and connect the Windows server. For that, I am using the EC2 service I am using, friends. Friends, this is my AWS account. This is my AWS account. Here, I can sign in with console. I can sign in with console. You can enter your mail ID and the password, whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS account, and you can enter the password. You can enter the password and then click on sign in. Friends, you are launching the Windows server. You can launch and connect the Windows server. I'm using the terminology is instant, mission, or the server. All are the same terminology, friends. Friends, first you need to select the region. You may choose any region. You may choose the Mumbai region, North Virginia region, California region, Singapore region, any region we can select it, no problem at all. You can launch your mission. You can launch your instant. You can launch your virtual mission. I am selecting Mumbai region. I am selecting Mumbai region. I am selecting, friends. Okay. See, those are recently visited services in my AWS account. We can observe the cursor points. Those are recently visited services are there. See that EC2 service is there. We can use here also. Or here at the top services option is there. We can choose compute service. Under EC2 service, we have to select. Under EC2 service, we have to select it. Or here on search box, we have to type it EC2. We can select the EC2. EC2. That is, to launch the Windows server, the first step is you need to select the region. Here I am selecting the region is Mumbai region I am selecting. Then the second, you need to select the compute, you need to select the EC2 service. how you are selecting the EC2 service? Here in your AWS account, at the top services option is there. Under we have to choose the compute service. Under we have to select the EC2 service. We have to select the EC2 service, friends. After that, friends, here on left side, the EC2 dashboard is there. See, friends, in your account, how many instances are running? 0. In my account. How many instances are there? 0. How many security groups are there? 1. That is the default security group is there. See that? Default security group is there. Fine. How many key pairs are there? 0. Sir, I want to launch the Windows server in Mumbai region data center. But then here on left side, instances option is there. See, that is to launch the Windows server, we have to select the instant. We have to select the instant. Fine. Then you can select launch instant option. We can select launch instant option. Then you can enter your instant name. See, I am given the Windows server, I am given friends. What is the instant name I am given? Windows server I have to give it. See, we have to give the instant name. We have to give the instant name. We have to give the instant name. See, I am given the instant name is Windows server. You may give anyone. You may give your name also, no problem. That is, I am given the instant name. Then, the next step to launch the Windows server, you need to choose the operating system image. That's nothing but which server you are launching, Windows. Which operating system you need to select it, Windows we have to select it. Operating system image is nothing but the Amazon mission image. See friends, here it is specified that MI is a template. MI is a template that contains software configuration. It includes operating system, application server, and the applications required to launch your instance. Launch your instance. That is, you are launching the Windows server. That's why you are selecting the operating system is Windows. We have to select it, friends. Scroll down. See, you can click on arrow mark. Some of them are mentioned here. Retire eligible one. Have to scroll down. Some of them are not mentioned. Retire. Means they are the paid version. Friends, you are for practicing purpose, you have to choose retire eligible one. Then it is showing the MI ID, it is showing, friends. Okay. That is, the next step is you need to select the operating system image. You need to select the OS image. That is nothing but the MI. MI stands for the Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image, right? It's a template which contains the operating system, applications that include in your mission. That includes in your mission. Okay. That is, you need to select the operating system. Which operating system I am selecting? Windows I am selecting, friends. Because I am launching the Windows server. That's why I am selecting the operating system is Windows I am selecting. Then the next step is you need to select the instant type. Sir, what it is providing the instant type? What it is providing the instant type? Friends, the instant type, it is providing instant type, it is providing how many number of CPUs are required. See, in any server, the three things are required. One is CPU, and second one is memory, and third one is hard disk. And third one is hard disk. See, these three things are required in any server. These three things are required in any server. Maybe the Linux server or it may be the Windows server. These three things are required. Friends, the instant type, what it is providing? The instant type, it is providing number of CPUs and the memory and the network performance can be provided. That's why you need to select the instant type. See friends, I am chosen the Mumbai region. I can click on here, compare instant type. See, in Mumbai region, how many instant types are there? 538 instant types are there. As per your business requirement, as per your business needs, you have to select the instant type, friends. Suppose if you are chosen T2.2 extra large instant type, that is, it is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory, network performance is moderate, it is providing. Sir, to run my application, I need to choose the instant type is A1.2 extra large. It is providing 8 CPUs, 16 GB memory, up to 10 gigabyte network performance is provided. Friends, accordingly, you are getting billed to your AWS account. Sir, you are saying that just now you are creating the AWS free tier account steps means there are free tier account limitations that there. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay. See, you are for practicing purpose, you have to select the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing, and the network performance is low to moderate, it is providing. I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. Click on select instant. That is, I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro. See how many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. Wait for hard disk calls. Wait for hard disk calls. Then, friends, the next step to launch the Windows server, the key pair is required. See, your already the key pairs are there. We can click on this arrow mark and then we can select the key pair. See, I want to create the new key pair. Then click on create new key pair option is there. Then we have to give the key pair name. I am given the key pair name is Windows Server key I am given. You may give any name also. I am given the key pair name is this one, that is Windows Server key. Then the next step is you need to create the key pair. You need to create the key pair. See, without key pair, you can't connect your servers. Without key pair, you can't connect your servers. That's why I am creating the key pair. The key pair name I am given as Windows Server key. Key pair type is RSA. Private key file format. PEM file format I am selecting. Click on create key. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option. With the name is Windows Server key. Okay. Scroll down. Then the next step is network settings. Here I can click on edit option. Right now, we have to choose the default VPC. VPC stands for Virtual Private Load. In upcoming session, I'll tell you 7 to 8 hours regarding the VPC concept I have to explore. Fine, friends. Right now, we have to select the default VPC. And the subnet preference I am not given. Just now, I am told that in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. For one availability zone, one subnet, another availability zone, another subnet, another availability zone, another subnet. Totally, the 3 availability zones are there. If I am selecting AP South 1A, my Windows server is launched in AP South 1A. If I am selecting AP South 1B, my instant or the Windows server is launched in AP South 1B. If I am not given any preference, my instant, my Windows server can be launched in any one of the availability zone. I am given no preference. I am given auto assign public IP. The default it is enable is there. Already I can select it as the enable. Fine. Next, firewall system. See, a security group is a set of firewall rules that controls the traffic from your instance. See, add rules to allow specific traffic to each your instance, but that you need to create the security group. See, I am creating the security group name is, for our understanding purpose, the Windows Server SG and 12. In my SG meaning is security group. Same, you have to type it in the description also, and I can note down in the note. I can note down in the notepad. Here, in network settings, here in network settings, we can click on edit option. Here in edit option, whatever the default VPC as is, we have to choose it. And the subnet preference, there is no subnet preference. And auto assign public IP, that is enabled. Default. Enable is there. Okay. And security group name I am given as this one. Fine. Then the next step, it is providing the storage. See that you are launching the Windows server, the inbound security group rule, it is providing type is RDP. Because you are launching the Windows server, type is providing RDP. Remote desktop protocol is providing. Port number is 3389. Port range is 3389. Source type, here it is providing my IP address, custom, anywhere. Suppose if I am selecting my IP address, my laptop IP address is provided. Only with that IP address, Windows server is connected. If I am selecting custom, then I need to enter the IP address, or the administrator has to enter the IP address. Suppose if I am selecting anywhere, if you know my AWS account credentials, if you know my Windows Server PEM file format, you can connect my Windows mission at any time, any place, at any location. See, I am selecting the source type is anywhere I am selecting, friends. Next, the storage. It is providing default for Windows Server 30 GB it is providing. See, the storage it is providing for Windows mission, for Windows Server, the default it is providing, the storage is 30 GB it is providing. I'm asking the same question tomorrow also, friends. Then the next step is you can, I'm not given any additional volume of disk. I'm not given any advanced details. And then here also, friends, at the right side, summary details are provided. Click on launch instant. Your instant will be launched in the Mumbai region. Friends. See the instances option. Windows server is there. Name I am given. Instant ID is in EQ. The instant state it is providing running. While launching the Windows server, I am given the instant type is T2.micro. Right now the status check is initialized. Wait for few minutes. After that, the status check it is showing 2x2 it is showing. Availability zone, I am not given in network settings any subnet preference. See, my Windows mission will be launched in AP South 1. If you move this scroll bar, it is showing the details also, friends. Friends, I am selecting this Windows mission and I have to note down the public IP address of my Windows mission. Public IP address of my Windows mission. Public IP address, and I want to note down the private IP address also. Private IP address also. This is my Windows mission private IP address. Paste it here, friends. Fine. Finally, we had to launch the instant. Launch the instant, friends. I can note down the public IP address, private IP address. Friends, I want to connect the Windows mission. How can you connect the Windows mission? See, for that, you are using in your laptop, Windows operating system you are using. You can use remote desktop connection. See, remote desktop connection is there. You have to use it. Sir, I am using Linux operating system. Don't worry. You can select your instance. Go for connect option. Here RDP client is there. You can download remote desktop file. With the help of the remote desktop file, you can connect your Windows mission also. Sir, if I am using Mac operating system in my laptop, don't worry. We have to download remote desktop file. With the help of remote desktop file, you can connect your Windows mission. Friends, here in remote desktop file, I can note down the public DNS. Copy this, note down in the note. Fine. And what is the username for the Windows Mission administrator? What is the password? That is, I can download the keypad type is from file format. See, I can click on get password option is there. Then you can upload the private key file. In my downloads, PEM file is there. That PEM file we have to select it. Click on open, scroll down, click on decrypt password. Then you are getting the password. Copy your password and paste it here in the note. That is for noted purpose. Now, I want to connect the Windows machine. Friends, I am using in my laptop Windows operating system. So I am using remote desktop connection. See that here on search box, I am typing remote desktop connection. Click on here. Then it is asking to enter computer. Means IP address you need to enter. Public IP address you need to enter. See that. Or you may enter public DNS. I copy the public DNS. Here I can enter it here. Friends, here you can click on connect option. Click on connect option. Then it is asking to enter the username for your Windows mission. The administrator is there. That username we have to enter, and you need to enter the password. Even if single character is missing, then you are not connecting your Windows mission. That's why I can copy and paste it here on the notepad. And here also I can copy and paste it here. Click on yes option. See friends, those are the steps we have to follow while launch and connect the Windows server. While launch and connect the Windows server. Friends, we observe that the Windows server is connected from Mumbai region data center. Mumbai region data center. It's connecting from Mumbai region data center. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes. So meanwhile, what I am doing is, see in my class material, once you register the codes, then every day you are getting the class material like that. See what is EC2, I can mention here, and the steps to launch and connect the Windows server. First, you need to select the region. That's why I'm selecting the Mumbai region. To select the EC2 service, and then click on launch instances. Then you can enter the instant name. I'm enter the instant name is Windows Server. You may give anyone, no problem. And we have to choose the Amazon mission image. Windows I am selecting because you are launching the Windows Server. Like that, the pin-to-pin steps I am providing how to launch and connect the Windows Server. See here, what is the security group? I am specified here. What is the key pair also? Here I am mentioned here in my class material at the last I am mentioned. Okay, friends, those are the class materials I am providing once you register the course. With the help of those points, then you are connecting your Windows server. See that my Windows server is connecting from Mumbai region data center. It's taking the time 1 or 2 minutes, friends. Wait, based on your internet connectivity, it is connecting from Mumbai region data center. And also based on your chosen instant type also. Because I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing, friends. Friends, already I am saying that what are the steps we have to follow for creating your AWS free tier account. See, I'm not telling what are your AWS free tier account limitations. Just wait, it is connecting from Mumbai region data center. Meanwhile, what I am doing is I have to explore what are the AWS free tier account, the limitations are there. See that already I told that it is providing the 12 months of the free service it is providing. 12 months of the free service it is providing. See, if you click on here, this link, the class material I am providing the link. See that on that link, AWS free tier account. free tier account. You have to scroll down. 12 months it is providing the free, and always providing the services are also there free. See, right now I am using the compute service. How many months it is providing? 12 months. See, Amazon EC2 per month, how many hours it is providing? 750 hours. Suppose, well, run your application, you are using 3 missions you are using. 3 missions you are using. See, per month, how many days? 30 days, sir. How many days? 30 days, sir. See that. Per month, how many days? 30 days. 30 days. Per day, how many hours? 24 hours. See that? 720 hours. 720 hours. Suppose you are using to run your application 3 instances, 3 missions you are using. Means your 3 instances can be running within 1 month. Then how many hours are there? That is 720 into 3. 720 into 3 into 3 instance means 2160. See, as per the free tier, 750 hours per month it is providing the free service. Per month it is providing the free service. See friends, for practicing that, once your practice is over, then we can delete or terminate the instance. Terminate the instance. Here also it is mentioned, friends, 750 hours per month of Linux, SUSE Linux, Red Hat Linux, T2.micro or T3.micro instance depends on the reason. If T2.micro instance is not available on the particular reason, then T3.micro, it is providing the free service. It is providing the free service. Like that, here AWS free tier account limitations they are mentioned. See friends, storage, 12 months, 5 GB, it is providing the free service in S3. In S3, 20,000 get request it is providing. 2,000 put request it is providing the free service. RDS, 12 months it is providing the free service, 750 hours per month. 750 hours per month. I'll tell you in detail also in upcoming. And DynamoDB, always it is providing the free service. 25 GB storage, it is providing the free service. If it is exceed, then you got the bill. Machine learning, free trial, 2 months it is providing the free trial. SageMaker. Lambda, always free. See that. See that. Lambda service 1 million free request per month it is providing. If it's exceed, then you are getting. See, artificial intelligence, always free. Open search services, 750 hours. 12 months it is providing the free. SNS, simple notification service, always it is providing the free. If you see that, like that, there are many services are there in AWS. Each and every service, the limitations they are mentioned, friends. They are mentioned, friends. See, right now we have to see that still it is in slow. Okay. All the steps I have mentioned in your class material, friends. Because the internet connection is slow, I think. The net connection is also good. Downloading is good. Uploading a little bit slow is there. That's why here it is not connecting. Yeah. See that Windows server is connected from Mumbai region data center. Windows server is connecting from Mumbai region data center. So just wait for 1 more minute. Then it is showing at the right side the details. Meanwhile, if anyone have any questions regarding today's session, friends? Anyone have any questions regarding today's session, friends? Anyone have any questions regarding today's session, friends? This Windows server I am launching from Mumbai region data center. Mumbai region data center. Just wait for 1 more minute, then it is showing all the details at the right side. See that at the top, see EC2 3.111.31.147 South 1.compute.amazon AWS.com. This Windows machine will be connected. Right. Wait. It's connecting. Wait for a few minutes because of the internet connection. Uploading, it's slow is there. See here at the bottom also, if you are selecting the mission, at the bottom also it is showing the details. Instant ID, public IPv4, private IPv4, instant state, public IPv4 DNS, all the details also it is showing here. Friends, at the beginning, if I am checking status check is initializing. Now see that 2 by 2 it is showing. What is the reason? I'll tell you in upcoming session why it is showing the status check is 2 by 2. Why it is showing the status check is 2 by 2. Fine. It's slow. That's why it is not showing in details. Okay, friends, I am connecting the Windows server from Mumbai region data set. If anyone have any questions, friends, regarding today's session? Once your practice is over, then we can terminate the instant. How we can terminate the instant is we have to select the instant, go for the instant, see that stop instant is there, terminate instant is there. Stop instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. On the next day, if you want to start the instant, just the start instant option, we can enabling it. See that. Now I can click on stop instant. Whenever I am stopping the instant, like shutdowning your laptop, automatically this connection is also closed. Just wait for 1 minute. Automatically this connection is also closed because I am stopping the instant. Stopping the instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. Shutdowning your laptop, friends. Okay. See, if you want to start the instant, it's very simple process. No need to follow the steps. All there, just we have to select the instant, go for the instant state, start instant option is there. Then once you click on start instant option, then it is started. Because I am doing continuously operation, that's why it is shown the failed message it is shown. Wait for 1 minute. It's not also deleting. Yeah, see that it is shutdowning. It will be closed connection. Once it is stopped the instant, then the connection is also closed. See that it is showing the red. It is not connecting when you are stopping the instant. Right? Then if you want to start the instant, select the mission, select your Windows server, go for instant state, start instant option is there. Again, it is showing the red mark. Wait for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. See, what I am recommend is once your practice is over, then we can terminate it. Again, tomorrow you need the same concept on some extension future, then again we can follow the step by step and then we can do it. Then only your practice is perfect. That's in my side. I am given the suggestion. Right? Any question, friends? This is the day 2 demo session. Day 2 demo session. Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? Ahmed, any questions?
No, sir.
No. Rupender Singh, any questions? Sardar, right now I am planning the daily sessions, regular sessions, not the weekend, but we shortly plan that is within short time, means the fast track within 20 days or the 18 days, I can complete the course. I can plan it. Okay. Are you providing regular basis lecture or only the weekend? Right now I am providing regular. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Yeah, I can start the instant. Yeah, wait, why it is showing? Uploading and downloading, it's not there the same in my internet connection. Yeah, see that when I am start the instant, select the instant, start option is there, successfully initiated starting. See that what is the instant state? Pending. Once the instant state is running, then we can connect the Windows server using remote desktop connection. Once your practice is over, then what my side I am saying that we can terminate the instant. Select your Windows server or select your mission or the instant, select your virtual mission, all are the same terminals. I am selecting the instant, go for terminate instant option is there, click on terminate. First it is shutdowning and then terminated from Mumbai region data center. That's about today's session, friends. Any questions? No questions, friends? Then I can end the session. Tomorrow we'll meet the same time, friends. Thank you. I'll end the session.